Unlock the power of Nano Banana without spending a single dime. Today, we're diving into how you can leverage Nano Banana's impressive capabilities completely for free. First things first. Open your web browser and head over to the Nano Banana website. You'll find it easily by searching for Nano Banana in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create a free account. This process is straightforward and typically involves providing a valid email address and creating a secure password. No credit card information is required for the free tier, making it instantly accessible. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your personal Nano Banana dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Explore the prominent features available in the free tier. You'll likely find options for basic project management, task tracking, and collaboration tools for a limited number of users. For example, let's look at project management. The free tier often allows you to create a set number of projects, organize tasks within them, and assign them to yourself or other free users on your team. You can set deadlines, add descriptions, and mark tasks as complete. Many free plans also include some form of visual organization, such as a calendar view or a simple Kanban board. These are fantastic for keeping track of your progress and understanding your workflow at a glance. It's important to be aware of the limitations of the free tier. These typically involve a cap on the number of active projects, a limited amount of storage for files, or restricted access to advanced features like custom reporting or extensive integrations. Understanding these boundaries is key to effective use. To truly maximize Nano Banana's free functionalities, think strategically for personal projects or very small teams. You can often create multiple projects to organize different aspects of your work. Even if the total number of active projects is capped, utilize the free collaboration tools by inviting team members to work on shared tasks. While the free tier is generous, if your needs grow, you'll eventually encounter these limitations. However, for starting out, testing ideas, or managing small-scale endeavors, Nano Banana offers a powerful and completely free solution. So there you have it, a circumflex euros, your guide to using Nano Banana absolutely free. Start experimenting today and see what you can create.